run and get lost. Boy, my body's just for you. Got this feeling somebody's sleeping in my bed, my bed. Sleeping in my bed, and you just what I mean. Oh, but you know one damn thing, baby. Hey y'all, so this is the 4th annual Fripp Island trip for the Lawtons, and yeah, looks like it's gonna be a rainy weekend at this beach, at the beach house. I mean, really, look y'all, all gray out here. And it's like 68 degrees. We gonna make it do what it do. It is what it is. Whatever. We be waiting for this, but yeah. I could have did without the rain and the gloominess, but whatever. Supposed to relax and all this, so we gonna see what we get into. Stay tuned, my Yummikins. And if this is I guess this is the beginning of the vlog. So hello, my Yummikins. Yeah. Stay tuned. Just think you don't get me at all. But it's okay, I done got this so many times.
I think it's safe to say you ain't seen a player lay this way. Your parents. The game this way. With an attitude.
Your parents is here, honey.
You don't stop. Aficionado. So fashionable. With a confidence.
We back, y'all.
Game so tight, the girls have to go. And you don't stop.
We back, y'all. We back, y'all. We back.
Came back great.
All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we here.
I swear.
But yeah, we gotta put jackets on. Say hey to my mother-in-law, my shorty doo-wop. Hi. Here go my father-in-law. There you go. Say hey. He in something.
What he doing?
He locking the car.
Locking the car.
Say hey to my Yummikins.
Is the porch open? Is the front porch open?
I don't know. I hadn't even walked up there yet.
You say, where's the deer?
Well, I saw one.
It was about 6 together.
I saw one.
Then you saw another one, and then you saw about 6 of them.
You know, because you know they not shy at all.
At all.
Yeah, this one's open. Come on up.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my bag. Since that's open.
Well, you know you can put it at the back door for hours.
Oh yeah, I'm about to. Yep, you right about that.
We are here. We are here.
Guess what, Daddy? Raymond and Dog, y'all created the angle, so I gotta get Raymond look good.
Put the makeup one on Mama, like we did at Mama Daddy house.
Oh, let's see.
Got them.
There you go.
Get him out.
Look at your lips redder.
You just don't. That's too little.
Hi.
Where's Eric?
How you
Y'all better go check on
Yeah.
Eric. Y'all go check on Eric.
Wellness check.
Oh, Rico. Suave. Y'all gotta see this one. Look. Hey, how you doing?
Oh my goodness. They right across from the security when you check in. What's up? What's up? Yeah. I look like that thing on Weird Science. It's a little different, man. That can change. Oh my goodness. It looked like that thing on Weird Science. You remember that movie Weird Science? And his brother turned into that alien.
I'm looking at I'm looking at a mini-series.
I put Tito's in my coffee. I did. Come get it. Look at me. And put your hand right there.
I know you can see him choke. He
can
don't
see
choke. Boy, go on over there and touch him. I guarantee you. I'm touching you. Go on over there and
Well,
here.
no beach today. Raining.
Oh, once you snack after last night, y'all funny to all y'all.
I couldn't believe I saw Somalia in photos on the beach last night.
We got her. I'm telling you, right there at nighttime. Beautiful. It told us different.
Oh, you saw my receipt, huh?
I saw your receipts, honey. You didn't come to play.
Saw the receipt.
Yeah. Look at the water. I want to be out there. At some point. At some point, we'll be out there. Yeah. What's up?
Dude,
How y'all doing?
chilling. At
We
the
can't
beach.
we can't get on the beach because it's raining.
Yeah, it's sad.
He said he finna go. I don't.
Oh, I'm going. I'm in my elements.
You in your what?
I'm in my elements.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go when the rain stop because my hair too pretty.
See, I'm a Cancer. We love water.
I'm a Capricorn.
They love hell.
We're earth signs.
No, you're not.
We're earth signs. A lot of people coming through here this year, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're just standing there.
Yeah.
He's like, he chewing on something, but he's like, I don't care about this rain. Oh wait, I ain't see the other one right there.
yeah.
You see the other one? See, he's smart. He's under the tree.
He under the tree. That's what I was talking about. I said, that's
Child, let me get that. I ain't see them. He look like a horse sitting right there. He look like a little pony. Child. Ooh, look at him. He like, and just chewing. And that one over there like, I'm gonna pick my battles. I'm just gonna stand in the rain.
That's what he understands.
And he chewing too. I swear. Child. Garrett. What Garrett? Oh, say something. Say something, nephew. What up? Look at him back there. Why you way back there? We trying to go out here on this beach and it's raining.
Blame that on Uncle G.
I mean, goodness. Ooh, child. Not a soul out here. And that's that. Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm good.
I did. Look up. Look on. Come on, walk. Oh, there we go. That water feels good. I can't go and swim in.
I know, right?
Oh yeah. Nah, that's fine.
Shit, if it ain't. It's cold now. It's cool. Ooh, I'm good. That is cool. Do something. I'll get a picture from that.
Out there. Got for me out there. Run toward the camera. Let's go. Go back.
Turn around, baby. I'm coming around you.
Yeah, let me get you. Stay right there. I'm gonna come around you on video. Coming around you. Getting that cinematic view. Dun 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 dun.
Oh, I ain't get it.
Hey.
What? Huh? Hold on, I'm getting these birds. Isaiah, say hi. Yeah.
Walking the beach.
Walking the beach.
Walking the beach.
In the rain.
It's drizzle.
It's a drizzle now.
In the drizzle.
It was not a drizzle 2 seconds ago.
Good little jellyfish. See what it tastes like. Go ahead and touch it.
I think it's dead.
Another one. You saw another one earlier back there. Oh, that's a good size one.
Ooh, look at him. Aw, he's deceased. He's no longer with us. You turning around, Isaiah? Y'all. So I'm out here walking. My husband, they said they were gonna walk with me. Look where they are. I do this. I'm a little bit of an athlete, if you let me tell you, yeah. I'm actually hot. I'm a little hot. That walking. Yeah. We'll put it like that.
Turn around real quick out here. I know you do. Hold on. Turn around real quick. There you go.
Ooh, Lord. Hold on a second. Let me fix my hair. Well, baby. What's up? How you doing?
You made it. To the end of the earth.
Well, the end of Fripp. Well, almost the end of Fripp.
To the end of the earth.
And we going back.
Now we gonna go back.
There it is. Y'all see that out there?
With me, 'cause you make me feel so brand new. Oh, baby, I want to spend my life with you. We say singing, baby. Since we've been together, loving you forever.
I see he got them hot grits.
What I need. Let me be the one you come running to. I'll never be untrue. Let's stay together, loving you well, hit it.
Have a good, a bad, a happy or sad.
Woo, yeah. Well, the times of you don't know the song. Happy or sad. Why? Party ready, gelatin shots.
Yeah, go get Lakers. That's my shot right here.
Yeah, go get Lakers. Go get Lakers.
Come here.
I swear.
Shots. You got yours in your hand. Yeah, shots and shots. Where yours, Carl?
Right here.
Wait, boy.
Y'all just, y'all.
I know that's right.
We gonna toast it again.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
right. Yeah.
Here we go.
Happy birthday.
good. That's good. Y'all want this? Y'all want another one? Back in the refrigerator. You do taste that. What flavor you got?
Okay. This song exactly what it is. It's a funky
We're
yellow
gonna need one more. We're gonna need one more of those. That was good.
What it is a
That's
might
gonna
be
get us
to
ready
it.
for our crab
Just
boil.
back in that
We're gonna be ready for
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Put it back in there.
She said pull it.
I was like, put that,
Hey, but
cover that hole up.
Hold up now. Don't forget y'all got another person in the room.
That was calling your name, huh?
You ready, Miss B?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready spaghetti.
I tell you, y'all be putting things together.
What is that? Take me through there. Take me through there. It mean you eating. And I put on my, my nice outfit, and I walk out.
Oh, she ate.
And so, I'm like, girl, you ate that down. You ate it.
Okay, but tell me what the birthday means.
I have no idea. You were saying it last night, and I was clueless.
You are the birthday. That means that you're the.
I
They
mean, I
laughed-
asked Uncle Ray. He didn't know neither.
They
We
laughed
didn't know
at
what.
me
I
at
don't
work.
know
I
what
don't know what it
birthday
means.
versus birthday.
She
I
the
didn't even know
birthday
they
or
were
she
using
not the
that.
birthday. She not the birthday.
I didn't know the young folks was using that. Though.
They were. That's what
Like
they
it's
say
your
at work.
birthday, but it's not your birthday.
Cause I'm like, who?
And so Curtis Mathis came and gave us the right answer. But by that time, the party, that was a couple of days
Yeah,
ago,
look,
the party
look.
was done.
I remember a lot of them parties, right? But it's the after party. Mom and dad.
My whole world
Upside down.
about
Hey,
it.
she's still awake. Yo, she's still awake. I pulled the cover down. She was still awake.
Going down.
life I barely even know.
Going
Hey, give me a
down.
moment. Give me a moment, baby. Hey, baby, that's light. Where the flash? They ain't gonna see us. We look like ghosts.
I got one hand. I'm going down. She done left us. She done left us.
Going down.
My grandfather.
And we can ride
Hey y'all, the sun came out today. Hey, say hey y'all. Brittany, your legs lagging, girl. Ooh, hey, show 'em, girl. Say hey, Laker. We trying it. And heels.
Is it like that one to the left? No.
Oh no. Woo. 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 Child. Okay. What, the sand? This part right here until we get to the solid part. Right. Yeah. Okay. I got some water, baby. Okay, y'all ready? All right. Fripp.
Last day.
Last day.
Here we go.
All right.
Last day, Fripp.
Fripp. Woo. Oh, really? Wanna go have fun, baby. All I need is your body next to mine.
And I was always at my grandparents. I was always. And I remember one time, and they took me, they were like, I don't know what it is. Is it the chalk?
Theory, so you can use your own brain and come up with your what?
Ready?
Own solution.
Listen me, knock on me door.
That's how life coaches and stuff get around.
Well, that's what people are saying. You need to call yourself a life
Time to
coach.
have sex.
But she went on a podcast with this pastor, Jamal Bryant.
Uh-huh.
Y'all know who this is?
Yeah, I know Jamal Bryant.
You should be.
I be hating when she don't pick right up. So I be like, what else you doing?
Picture Brittany.
Hey girl, how you doing? It's your daughter. First name Yummy.
You so silly.
Hey girl, how you feeling?
I'm feeling better.
You feeling better?
Hey, Mom.
Gary
Not
said,
a whole
hey.
lot, but I feel. Hey, that's funny. How you
See,
doing?
the sun came out today.
You see me?
You see that pretty? You see that pretty blue sky behind me now?
Yes, I see
That was
y'all on that
not the
beach.
case. It would pick to be the most pretty day on the last day we here.
Yeah,
But yeah, I was calling to check on you.
yeah. I'm all right.
That's good. I told her to give you a call. She wasn't thinking about you, mother-in-law, until I said, call
Man,
Mama.
Why do you say these things?
I said, call Mama.
you know what?
She wasn't thinking
He
about your
about like
mother-in-law until I told her to call you. I got your back.
you. All right, then. I know you do. But we already know you gonna call. We already know you gonna
You
call
knew I
me.
was gonna call you, girl. You knew, so you better tell him. Yeah, you better tell him.
He got when
Shoot.
he tells stories like Rick.
He just be telling stories. You got to check on him.
Yeah, I'm gonna check on him.
You know.
I seen in the thing where Hardy Wilcox died.
Really?
Yeah.
What dang?
You come with the bad news like every other day about somebody dying.
Yeah, I have to let y'all know.
Yeah.
Not in our
know.
family. But it's my cousin's uncle.
But her family over the
Her
last
mama's
6 months
brother.
had us going back and forth to South Georgia for a funeral. It seemed like
Every
5
month.
months straight.
Yeah.
I'll be like, y'all gonna have to do this one.
Well, I'm the singer of the family.
They want her to
And
sing.
I know. They be like, you gonna sing it this one? I be like, I guess so, girl.
Well, you ain't got to sing it this one.
I don't, do I?
No.
I ain't got to come home for this one. But that's what happened to him, you know?
Nah. I had to see what
Gary
April
talking about
posted.
something old.
Yeah. And Carlisa of the twin sons missing.
Who?
No.
Carlisa.
That's what old people
That stay in
do.
Houston. Big Billy daughter, Carlisa.
I don't know her like that, but I got you.
When she lost her,
But they call
train
it
hit her
the
2
thing.
boys. One of her twins and her baby boy.
You remember
Now the
the
other
song?
twin is missing it. Yeah.
When
But
you
anyway,
were
y'all
the
enjoy your
revolution.
thing. And we
Oh, yeah,
finna
that's right. You were like
finish
5.
watching Sarah's Oil.
Oh, is it good so far?
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Stepdaddy, I'm sorry to interrupt y'all.
Hello to Mr. Ricky.
Gary said he want to say something. He want to say something to Mr. Stepdaddy.
Hey, Mr. Ricky, how you doing? All right, I can do better, but it cost me more money.
You knew you was gonna say that,
You
right?
can do better.
But go on, finish y'all movie. We'll talk later.
All right, then.
All right, love y'all.
Love you too.
All right, bye. My mama funny. All right, there. Go car.
I love to do the mountains now.
You got to do it a little bit smoother.
We can go to Gatlinburg.
There you go. Hey, Carl. There you go, like that. There you go. Go, Bill. Go, Bill. Go, Bill.
The taxes alone was $1,500. I am not paying $1,500.
Go, Carl. Go, Carl. Go, Carl. We're gonna stop. Let's stop right there.
So we're Fripp Island, South Carolina. My wife always wants a kiss. So.
Yes. Get my sugar. And your mama done, yeah. There you go, look. No.
Where you going, brother?
I know, right?
Some of y'all need to tell us.
I know. What's happening?
Some of y'all need to tell us. This vlog gonna be good.
I know. Say hey, baby.
Hey, Daddy. Hey,
Yeah.
folks.
Hi.
Remember, awareness creates change. Lawton Counseling and Addiction Service.
Yeah.
Give me a call.
Okay.
Turn around. Hey, what's your name?
I'm called
Wife. Yummy. Look at the booty. Look at the booty. Stop looking at the booty.
Hey, who is that? Hey, what's your name?
I'm called the Ocean Man.
No, you my husband. Say you my husband. Get it, baby.
I'm just ocean to get you.
Yeah. Sup? Dead. Oh my God. Dead. Wow.
These are really first things in life. That's why we here. There you go.
Oh, check it out, y'all. Ew. Go ahead. Put your name.
There it is.
And G. Yummy loves G. Yummy loves G. Okay. I got a lot of hair. Goodness.
In the little pool.
And there it really would be like a little pool area. You know? Yeah.
Okay, so I need to find that out.
Probably the same.
If it has changed and we can go later, I'll let you know. Okay?
that'll be fine.
So if we can't go later, you still want to keep it the first week in May?
Yeah. Yes.
All right. Stay right. Look at him. Look at him.
He's swimming. Oh, look at him. Oh, my God. He's swimming.
He's so funny. Yeah, it's right there. Hey,
What's happening that you're doing it on
oh, I
Monday?
didn't even know they had even.
Eric, I'm Gary. What's happening where you're doing your, we used to call them health fairs, I guess.
All right, my Yummikins, it is a wrap for the Fripp Island shenanigans this year. We ended it at first watch, and everybody is getting in their respective places, and that is it for the Fripp Island 2026. Tell them, Uncle Ray. And another one. Okay. And that's it for Fripp Island. All right, family. Bye, y'all.
High volume.
Am I really that